Welcome back, guys. Cryptophile channel. Today, I would like to show you just local updates for JUP, USDT trading pair with my customer set. Let's dive in, guys. So looks like we form a double bottom on a weekly time frame. The size of this double bottom should be around the zone of fixation profit, so 27 block this zone and around $1.05. So when nobody knows, can we drop lower? Yes, of course we can, to sweep this liquidity and drop to the next level. It's the zone of interest. It's between 34 cents 59, 27 13, 16 52, 11 84. All targets, guys, still irrelevant, and we're just in a range. So zone of fixation, zone of accumulation. We can consolidate by end of August in this area, and only after that we'll see the new all-time high. I believe Jupiter will be one of not so many tokens which will hit the new all-time high after Sol new all-time high when everybody received the Seeker phone, Solana ecosystem blasts off, and some meme coins pump it. That's why I believe Jupiter will be one of that token which will hit the new all-time high by capitalization, guys. Now at 50 cents with 3 billion tokens in circulation supply, so it's only 30% of total emission, right? 1.5, let's say 1.5 billion capitalization. So easy to count. Let's say 3 billion market capitalization, right? It's $1, $2, $6, $3, and higher. That's why, guys, it can be the realistic target, like $5. It's possible, I think. So it's like 15 billion market cap for this token. And from the correction, let's say we not count from the bottom, right? From the correction, it will be like 1,500% gains. From the bottom listing price on Binance, it will be like 16,000. I think it's not correct to count the gains from listing price. That's why more likely, we can see the $5 price, 15 billion market capitalization. Yes, I believe it's possible, right? So just in case, guys, take a look now with my customer set. What's going on now with the position by Wells on Jupiter? You remember when we traded in this triangle, right? Consolidated here. I mark we will drop to the zone of interest and we dump it. Now, still no some crazy transparent accumulation zone by ADZ, so we just consolidate in the middle. That's why it's kind of weird, because we can drop at any moment, guys, to 16 cents, just in case. Based on the sentiment I told you before, so one of these months, like August or September, should be a red one. Now the half of basically even not a half, just the first 10 days of August, pretty green one, because Ethereum performed, BTC dominance under 59%, so yes, pretty green, but we still got like 20 days more. So it's easy to see another red week to grab the liquidity, to hunt the liquidity. That's why, guys, 27 cents, if we count from 27 to the 15 billion market capitalization, it will be like 1,700% gains. So it's kind of bad. All right. Anyway, if it's a double bottom, the next step is trouble area where we more than real to fix the profit. 77.54, 83.27. 23. Sorry. Based on the direction indicator, we on the middle line, but without any crazy signals for accumulation. Daily here, based on trade on, buy, bounce, take profit, sell in May. Sell may go away. Here was a June 25, buy back, sell, buy back. So no main signal to buy. I wish to see the take profit signal, guys. All these zones is like a magnet also for liquidity hunter. That's why this is what I wish to see, right? And take profit signal to buy a new one and go higher. Now no main signal to accumulation once again on direction. Time to out was here, time to in was here. Now nothing. So Nothing. I can't show you just go to 1 hour time frame and see that and show you the bullish targets. Even in the 1 hour time frame, there is a lot of bearish signals, guys. Unfortunately, yes, a lot of people now wait the pump for any tokens, and yes, Ethereum around the all-time high. Everything's so bullish, but anyway, the market need to come down a little bit to continue rally higher. But of course, it's just my subjective opinion, guys. Market's mood on the daily capitalization was here. Now it's euphoria and positive, some optimism now. Weekly time frame, kind of better. But I don't like this liquidity pools. This is disbelief. So anyway, we will recover back higher, but it's hard to say about the timing, guys. It's hard to say about the timing. I'm more than sure, but of course, it's just my subjective opinion, guys. I'm more than sure that Jupiter will go higher to the targets. But when? It's hard to say. Maybe October, November, guys. Money power. Take a look. What I would like to see. I would like to see on a weekly time frame some money inflow. There is no money inflow yet. RSI bullish divergence pump. Yes. Rejection at 0 level. So I will not surprise if we'll drop something like this one in August. And I wish to see some money inflow based on money power indicator. Now nothing. Daily, yes, some money inflow here, bounce. But this is a daily, guys. Of course, you can use it daily, for example, for swing trades, 89%, pretty good one for speculation with small leverages. But guys, now no new money inflow. Of course, need to wait. By the way, the Trump and the Putin meeting. So what these two guys will talk about the geopolitics. I think the markets will react. I guess it will be August 15. So let's wait. By seasonality, you know, I'm waiting the one more dip in August on BTC, on alts also, but I can be wrong. It's just my personal opinion, guys. And after that, we can recover, move step by step, 3 months up. Take profit on the last indicator, guys. Buy line now, it's a sweep of liquidity of June 25. It's 32 cents 71. For the value, it's 24.43 on daily 12-hour time frame. We already retested, but we can drop on the daily time frame 33.08. For the value, it's 24.81. It's for support, and weekly time frame, there is no data for take profit indicator on the weekly. Let's double check the 3 days. 3 days we hold the line. So test the buy line. It's 44.83. For the value, again, it's 33.54. That's it. Take profit line, guys, is here 88.41. It's a zone of fixation. That's why if you accumulated here, and still in position, your next limit order can be at 27.13 and let's say 15 cents with a target 77.83. All targets, guys, I showed you by logic, and I believe in new all-time high for Jupiter. Guys, if you would like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.